Preferences allow you to adjust how you work with the program. If there are certain things you want to do with the program, you can change them, and also enter information about you and your company, so that information can print on the reports or go on the ship to information, for example. Preferences are from the Tools pull-down menu. So pick on Tools, go to Preferences. On the left-hand side, there are tabs. When you click on these, the information on the right-hand side changes. And some of these will have little help areas down here at the bottom. And read that when it's there. Please read those, because I'll go through what we have here in Preferences currently, but software is constantly changing. So by the time you watch this video, there might be many more preferences to see. But your info is information about you and your showroom, so that you have your company name, your address, your email, your information for your company, where you wish to ship this to. Do you wish to go to the default ship to address to be your place, or is it the default going to be the customer's information? Any room defaults. If there are multiple catalogs, if you work with multiple manufacturers who use quick order entry, you can specify a default catalog for each room. Maybe you always use one manufacturer's catalog, typically for the kitchens, but you use a different manufacturer's catalog for your bathrooms. And this is just a default. You can change it at any time when you're starting a quote or order. Catalog defaults is where you put in your default multiplier for the manufacturer's catalog and a default markup you wish to use. So if your multiplier typically is, say, a 30% discount, you would put in 0.7 as your multiplier. Markup, if you normally have, say, a 75% markup, you would type in 75. Account number, if you use an account number with that manufacturer, you can enter that information. And a default unit of measure. Maybe you like to see things 1/8 of an inch for that manufacturer's catalog, or 1/64 of an inch exact, or you prefer to work in metric. Order entry options. And again, like I said, just go through these and read the information at the bottom, but this allows you to control certain aspects about working with the order entry program. Miscellaneous, again, also this will expand over time. For example, autosave is an option, and how many minutes between automatic saves. The database server only changes, like it says, don't do it, like it says here, don't do it while quotes or order are open, but that's more for your networking people at your place to have access to that information. Advanced are just some not commonly used preferences for the program, like hide the send to factory button, or print preview might use a PDF viewer, so it just always goes to a PDF file. And tech support is information just that we at Advanced might tell you to use in case you're having problems for particular things.